Let's have a look at this question here. Much more difficult than the one from the first week, a much more challenging question on the critical topic of ratio. So let's just have a look at this first line here, the number of people who choose soup to the number of people who choose prawns in the ratio 2 to 3. Can be bar models like so, and that is soup to prawns. But you can sort of see clearly here now that the fractions here are 2/5 and 3/5. Bar modelling is very important in ratio. Now, the second combinations of ratios depend on which one you pick. If you pick soup, the lasagna and curry combination is 5 out of 8 and 3 out of 8. If you pick prawns, your lasagna curry combination is 1 out of 6 or 5 out of 6. So my question is, what fraction of the people chose curry? Well, if I just pick up the highlighter, which is here, we're looking for the ones that chose curry. So we're into this line or this line. This is very similar to a probability tree diagram question, where you need to know that times is and plus is or. So we need these combinations. We need 2/5 times by 3/8. That's soup and curry. Or we need prawns and curry, which is 3/5 times by 5/6. So that gives you 6 over 40 plus 15 over 30. Don't forget, when you times fractions, you just times the numerators and the denominators, and you do the times first. Because of BIDMAS, a times becomes before a addition. Now, we can't add these fractions as it stands at the moment because we need a common denominator. So we have to consider the smallest number that 40 and 30 go into. I'm going to go for 120 because that's just an easy number to deal with. I've had to multiply my 40 by 3 to get 120, so that's 18. I've had to multiply my 30 by 4, which is 60. So that is 78 over 120. Obviously, that fraction is not simplified as far as it can be. The eagle-eyed amongst you will realise that the numerator and the denominator here divide by 6. 78 divided by 6 using a bus stop is 13. Okay, so 78 over 120, if we divide by 6, top and bottom, we get the answer of 13 out of 20, which will score 4 out of 4.